Welcome to the Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're comparing two top contenders in the countertop ice maker market, the Silonn ice maker and the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker. Both machines claim to produce 26 pounds of ice per day, but they have distinct features that set them apart. The Silonn boasts an impressive speed of 9 cubes in just 6 minutes, while the Igloo offers a compact design with a self-cleaning function. Let's explore their specifications and see which one is the right fit for your kitchen or party needs. Get ready for a chilling comparison. When it comes to ice production speed, the Silonn ice maker takes the lead, producing 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes. In contrast, the Igloo ice maker creates 8 cylinder-shaped cubes every 7 to 8 minutes. This difference in speed can be crucial for users who need ice quickly, especially during gatherings or parties. In terms of design, the Silonn ice maker has a larger footprint, measuring 12.3 inches in length, which may require more counter space. On the other hand, the Igloo ice maker is compact, making it ideal for smaller kitchens or portable use. Additionally, the Igloo's aqua color adds a stylish touch, appealing to those who prioritize aesthetics in their kitchen appliances. Maintenance is another important factor to consider. The Silonn ice maker requires manual cleaning, which can be a hassle for some users. In contrast, the Igloo ice maker features an automatic self-cleaning function, simplifying upkeep and ensuring that the ice produced is always fresh and clean. This feature can save time and effort, making the Igloo a more convenient option for busy households. In conclusion, both the Silonn and Igloo ice makers offer impressive features and capabilities for ice production. If speed and ice size versatility are your top priorities, the Silonn ice maker is the way to go. However, if you value a compact design and the convenience of self-cleaning, the Igloo ice maker might be the better choice for you. Whichever you choose, both machines will help keep your drinks cool and refreshing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.